Ah. Welcome back, you guys. It is the Radiant Pineapple Skincare channel. I am Pineapples, and you already know. You already know. Please make sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. I don't know if I've mentioned in my previous face mask video that I would be doing face masks on Fridays, but yes, definitely stay tuned. My upload schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So Monday and Wednesdays, pretty much I'll just be doing skincare reviews, and then on Fridays, I'm gonna be doing face masks. So here I have the K Bella Hydrating Pineapple Peel Off Mask. This is actually my first time doing a peel off mask, so I am a little scared, so be patient with me. It says here that it is hydrating and refreshing your skin with our pineapple peel off mask. It's designed to help the skin feel firmer, while the pineapple extract helps to keep your skin feeling hydrated. And it says here it has pineapple extract and sodium hyaluronic. Okay, so I have my face mask open, and also on the directions it does say for you to gently cleanse your face with warm water before applying the mask, which I've already done. And then I am going to take my little face mask tool, and this smells really good. It smells like pineapple. It's a little sticky from what I have on my fingers. Okay, you guys, so I have the face mask fully on my face. Now, I did avoid putting it up here because this is where my melasma is, and since this is my first time trying this, I just don't want to take any risk of irritating my melasma. I've worked really hard to keep it like down as far as like the darkness of it, because it can get pretty ugly. So yes, I put it everywhere else. I put it on top of here. I even included it on my neck. So I'm gonna wait 20 minutes, and I don't know, I'm kind of nervous, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, my face is like super tight. Ah! Oh my gosh. And I'm doing this really, really gently because I am not trying to mess up my skin. Ooh-wee. This feels somewhat kind of like, I don't know, satisfying. Like, just imagine the face mask being like dead skin and just peeling it off. I've done that right there. This is crazy. Look, I touched my hair. Wow. Okay, so for the rest of the remaining gel that's on my face, I'm just going to take a warm cloth and just wipe it off because that's what it says on the package. Y'all, my skin is looking real good right now. I think oh shit, I still got some in my eyebrows. It's okay, I'll probably wipe it again after this video. I want to say, when I was peeling the face mask off, it just reminded me of, like, you know, when you were a kid and you used to put like head glue in your hand and you would just like peel the glue off. It just reminded me of that, and that's probably why I liked doing it. I definitely see myself doing a pill mask again. So with that being said, I want you guys to come back. Look at me, I can't even stop staring at myself because my skin is popping right now. But I want you guys to comment below, have you ever tried the K-Bella pineapple peel off mask? What are some other brands that are peel off masks that you've tried and you've liked? Have you ever experienced some type of skin irritation after using a peel off mask? And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.